Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Murphy. Today, I'm going to teach you to play Roll a Leprechaun. Once I teach you how to play, then I'm going to show you how to draw each part of the leprechaun. To do this game, you're going to need paper, the instructions, something to draw with. I chose markers, but you can choose whatever you would like, and a dice. If you do not have dice, that's okay. In the description of this video, I've included a link to a virtual dice. To play the game, you take turns rolling dice with a partner. Then, once you've rolled your dice, you match up your number with the number on the instructions. For example, I rolled a 2. I would draw a face. While I'm drawing my face, my partner could then roll their dice. And it goes on and on like this until somebody has completed their leprechaun. But here's the thing. If you roll a 2 twice, leprechauns do not have 2 heads. So if you roll a 2 a second time, that means you need to skip a turn. And that's how you play Roll a Leprechaun. Now that you know how to play, I'm going to walk you through the steps of drawing a leprechaun. I'm going to start with the head. To make his face, you can make a large U. Then go ahead and add 2 dots for the eyes and an oval for the nose. His smile looks a little crooked, so I'll give him a little smile. And then I see some freckles. Easy peasy. The last step is to add his hair. Right now I'm just doing the outline, so I will go back and add color later. Next, we can draw the body. This is a jacket for him. I'm going to start by making the collar, which looks like 2 triangles, kind of come into a point. Next, the bottom of the jacket is kind of like a triangle that doesn't come to a point. Now I need to give him a belt with a square buckle in the middle. And then of course I need to give him a little neckline. Next, I'm going to draw his arms. For this leprechaun, they kind of look like rounded off triangles, or maybe you could think of it like a cone. Here's the cuffs of his sleeves, and just some little nubs for his hands. If you want, you can add more details. The next thing I need to give him is feet. It looks like his outfit's going to be covering up his legs, so we'll just let the feet stick out at the bottom. Here's his shoes. It goes up to a point, down, and a heel. Let's do that again. And then of course, he's got a buckle just like on his shirt. Again, the buckle is a square. Now that we've drawn his feet, his whole body is ready to go, we can add a hat on his head. The bottom of the hat is like a bent rectangle. And the top is kind of like a trapezoid. The very last step to our drawing is we can pick to draw a clover wherever we would like. Look, this is a 3-leaf clover. Each of the leaves is made out of a heart. So I'm going to put mine right here. Here's a heart. I'm going to turn, draw another heart, and go the other way and draw a heart. I'm going to go ahead and give my clover a stem. That's how you draw the leprechaun. Now, I'm going to speed it up a little as I go ahead and add my colors to match. And there you have it, a leprechaun ready just in time for St. Patrick's Day. I hope you have as much fun drawing it as I did. Bye, friends.